the major mistake, okay, while I was doing my MBA, I did that I could not learn more things. Okay, I couldn't give much time to my skills. Why I'm telling this? The reason, I always was interested in stock market. Okay, but while I was in MBA, I was busy with classes, I was busy with doing assignments, and it was a hectic schedule. Okay, and that was the excuse for me that okay, I'm not getting time, and it's okay not to learn those things which is not needful at this point of time. But later, at this point of time, I am realizing that during my MBA, whatever I learned about marketing, about a business, is not needful, because whatever I am doing right now is unrelated to the MBA. Okay, yes, MBA has taught me discipline, lot of things, but okay, but I should have given much time to my skills to develop it. Okay, if I would have given that time at this point, okay, I would have become a different guy. Okay. Now I am giving time to my skills because I am realizing at later stage. But I am giving advice to all the freshers watching this video. Give time to your skills, because that is going to generate extra works for you guys, because different source of income is needful.